Hello my friends, it's Lena Big and today I have my follower as a model. Her name is Isabella. She texted me in Instagram that my lessons are very helpful for her and I decided to make some beauty for her. So let's make a Hollywood wave. Her wedding day was 4 years ago and we decided to take out her wedding dress and create a total bridal look. So makeup from her and hair is done by me. We will use her additional hair from the wedding day, but that's not enough. You will see in the finish because it is just 65 grams. And make a note if you are a future bride that you need more hair. For example, if you want to add it for length, you need approximately 200 grams. But 65-80 grams, that's not enough for the perfect length. Because in the finish, I think you will see that ends could be more perfect if we had more hair. I usually prep the roots of the hair. I make back combing to fix hair extensions properly, so they fixed at the place. I use curling iron 32mm because I like to have bigger waves. The temperature is 180 for blondie hair and 200 degrees for natural and dark hair. Don't forget to use thermal protection spray. And I curled the strand with the twisted technique. I put some wax spray to remove all the flyaways. Yeah, you can apply it before. And then I fix these curls one by one with bobby pins, or you may use small clips for pinning. By this way, the wave will be more stable. If you want very light wave, you can open it at once.
I got my red dress on tonight, dancing in the dark in the pale moonlight. Throw my hair up real big, beauty queen style, high heels off, I'm feeling alive. Oh my God, I feel it in the air, telephone wires above, all silver like a snare. Honey, I'm on fire, I feel it everywhere. Nothing scares me anymore. Kiss me hard before you go. Summertime sadness. I just want you to know.
How to style the wave? I open the first curl, then put some powder to make it very strong to give some volume, and then I tease it. And then open it, stretch it aside, give some shape to this wave and open it widely. Then fix with a hairspray. I use this one got to be because I like it's glued well. I use KYK powder magic dust. It's really magic and I like this fragrance. It's pretty good. And one by one, I'm doing the same. Opening wave, put some powder, tease it, and then stretch it widely. Make sure that the wave fits one into another. For example, if your wave doesn't fit one into another, for example, if it's lower, you can just tease it more, make it more high. So tease it well with powder. Or for example, if it's too high, you can just comb it down and it will be lower. By this technique, you can fit it well without recurling.
I got that summertime
Let's go to the side. I just open it by the same technique, put some powder, then tease it. And these two strands, they go to the front section, to the shoulder, because we need more hair near the face. That's why I take them from the back. This is the last strand from the back, and make sure it's covering all the hair extensions. So make sure you have one equal color of the hair. So hair extensions and natural hair, they should match. Now let's make parting. I like to make it, more for one side, to the right or to the left side. Here we will make more hair to the right side. I curl away from the face, twisted technique. It's my favorite to make curls and waves because it's very fast. You just hold the curling iron and just wrapping the hair around the barrel. Hold for 5 seconds and then let it go, or just fix it with the temporary pin. And make sure the front area you curl away from the face. I use here just a regular banana technique, flat technique, not twisted. I continue styling the front. Make sure that the wave, it's kinda equal, one equal wave, without any separations. And layer by layer, I use hairspray to fix it. You have to fix every layer of your wave. So for example, if you fix just the finish, just the result, it wouldn't be stable. So you have to apply hairspray accumulatively. And now your favorite section, the front area, the flip. Okay, the secret is pretty simple. You have to use powder and then tease it well. So you see, kinda it is very stable, just like this. And then you start melting this section with your hands. You just, you just set in the front how you need it. You just melt in the hair with your fingers. If you feel that it's falling down, you just need to remake it, tease more strong. And then if you are satisfied with it, you just fix it with hairspray. I'm trying to make here an American Hollywood style, like my favorite Senada does. She inspired me a lot for this type of Hollywood waves, and that's why I decided to make it really high. It's not for real life maybe, but it's very good for Instagram. Everyone pays attention to this volume on Instagram. It is more popular than just regular curls, kind of messy curls, because to create the huge volume is more complicated than just create regular curls. Тихо! If you're working with your client, make sure she's in front of the mirror and discuss with her the front area, because it is very important, because everyone wants to be satisfied. Oh my god, you can take a look in the mirror. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, you look amazing.
So beautiful.
You like the front?
I mean, it's too much. But when you've got a dress, you know.
Yes. Make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel. Don't miss new lessons. And also don't forget to tag me on Instagram when you post your works, because I'm really interested what's going on with your progress. Make sure you tag me and I will do a repost. See you in the next video.